Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to find favorites on Android and help you quickly access the things you use most. This video explains where to find favorites for contacts and websites. Now let's get started. For contacts using the phone app. Step 1. Open your phone's phone app. This is the app you normally use to make calls, and its icon usually looks like a phone receiver. It is important because all your call-related contacts are managed here. Step 2. Tap on the Favorites button, or tab, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. This section is designed to keep your most important or frequently contacted people in one place for quick access. Step 3. Once you open Favorites, you will see all your starred or favorited contacts listed there, making it easy to call or check details without searching through your entire contact list. For websites using the Chrome browser. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. This is the browser most people use to search and visit websites on Android phones. Step 2. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. This menu holds extra options and settings that help you manage your browsing activity. Step 3. Select Bookmarks from the menu. And here you will find all your saved favorite web pages, often organized into folders, so you can quickly open them anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.